Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon hair. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need craft foam in various shades of red, brown, and white, along with acrylic paints to add texture. Don't forget sharp scissors, a hot glue gun, and a plain headband or hair clips. Having all your materials ready makes the creative process much smoother and more enjoyable. We are aiming for a fun, realistic look. Now, let's craft those delicious-looking bacon strips. Begin by cutting wavy, irregular shapes from your foam sheets, aiming for pieces about 4 to 6 inches long and 1 inch wide. Use lighter foam for the fat and darker shades for the meat sections. Gently curl and crinkle each piece to give it a three-dimensional, cooked appearance. This step is crucial for achieving a convincing texture and visual appeal. Next, we will bring our foam strips to life with color and texture. Using acrylic paints, apply shades of deep red, burnt orange, and dark brown to mimic perfectly cooked bacon. A dry brush technique works wonderfully for creating those crispy, browned edges and marbling effects. Don't be afraid to layer colors to add depth and realism. This artistic touch truly transforms simple foam into appetizing-looking bacon. Finally, it is time to assemble your fantastic bacon hair accessory. Using a hot glue gun, carefully attach your painted and shaped bacon strips to a plain headband or individual hair clips. Arrange the pieces strategically to create a full, voluminous, and visually appealing design. Ensure each strip is securely fastened to withstand movement. Now you have a unique, fun, and eye-catching bacon hair creation ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.